So there's a way, and actually I just taught this. This was the first time I taught it, a new webinar, and it's about selling online with e-commerce. There's a way for you to actually add all of your products into Google Merchant Center. Are you familiar with Merchant Center?
No.
Okay, you're going to want to check out Merchant Center. So just go Google Merchant Center. You create it with your Google account. You can upload a spreadsheet that has your product ID, product name, price, yada, yada, yada. And you can add an image. You can upload it to Google Merchant Center for free. And what it does is it assigns that these products, these images are products. So see here how it denotes product.
Yeah.
That's, you can get that too. It's
Okay.
totally free. And then it will fill Google Images with your products.
That's awesome because I've already had to create that spreadsheet for Facebook and Instagram shopping.
Yep.
So it's like, I already have it there.
You got it. Yep. So it's just a matter of doing that. And then what's cool is once you actually have that fed into Merchant Center, Google allows you to, then you can create these product ads if you wanted to. So you could choose certain ones that would show up right here.
Okay.
Yep. So that's a really cool tool. I'm doing it with a whole bunch of our e-commerce clients right now, and it's definitely helpful.